Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to log out Rednote account. So if you want to log out your Rednote account on your phone, it could be Android and it could be on iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel as this really helps us to grow. Now to log out Rednote account, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Rednote app on your phone and then sign into your account. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Once you signed into your account, click on Me at the bottom right. Then you'll be taken to your Rednote profile page. On the profile page, locate and click on the settings tier icon just beside Edit Profile. Or better still, click on the menu icon at the top left and then click on the settings tier icon at the bottom right here. Now, once you've selected settings, you'll be taken to your Rednote account settings page where you can easily customize or configure the Rednote app. Then scroll down and then locate Logout. Go ahead and click on Logout. Once you hit the logout, choose spot that says confirm to log out of this account. Then click on Logout. Then you should see the Rednote account logout. And then if you click on me again, you'll be prompted to log into your Rednote account. So that is basically how to log out of Rednote account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.